day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, then please do not hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. I would also just like to take a minute to say thank you to everyone who signed up over the past week. We've had such a large number of you joining the signal service, so from myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, a massive welcome. But let's start here with the S&P 500. We broke below the 200-day EMA a few days ago. Yes, it was a rather muted trading session. We were actually trading in profit for some time, and then just going into the closing bell, we actually managed to turn it around and close just slightly in the negative territory. But what's happening here is very interesting. You know, we've been trading in a downtrend for some time now. That's here in the S&P 500. And, you know, this is a typical movement that you do tend to see. When you break out of a resistant area, you then got to the next target. In this case, that would have been a 0.618 fib area. And then you go and test the previous resistant area as the new floor. So this is, you know, this could be the next movement that we see here in the S&P 500. But that being said, you know, I think that you should also be very cautious as well. Let's just have a look at this support line as well. You know, if we bring this down here, we didn't actually break it, and some could argue that we are still in fact trading in a downtrend. So you should definitely be cautious of that as well. Let's just make that line a bit bigger for us all to see. There you go. You know, if we truly broke above this 4,300 area, that would be very bullish, but you know, there's definitely many traders keeping an eye on this resistant area here. But what I would like to see from this market is for us to, you know, perhaps go down and hit the 50-day EMA and see the bull step back into this market and send it back up to go and challenge that downtrend that we've been trading in for some time. Do I expect that to happen this week? Not really. You know, maybe on Friday. But, you know, we have Jackson Hole coming up on Friday, and I think traders aren't going to be willing to put a lot of money to work prior to that Jackson Hole meeting. So I think it's all about Friday and going into next week. That's when we will really start to see some volatility in this market.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.